guys, this is a few days of my life, so I hope you enjoy, and yeah. Hey y'all, I have some great news. I literally, I was checking my email because I had to sign up for something, and I applied to be like in an exhibition or a show in Buffalo, and I didn't think I was gonna get in because they said they would like notify us late January, and yesterday was the 31st, and I hadn't heard anything back, so I was like, I guess I'm not getting in. But I was like, God, I'm just gonna give it to you, and if it's your will, it's your will. And I was doubting, I'm gonna tell you, but y'all, I got in. I My reaction was a lot bigger earlier because I was talking to my mom and dad, but like, y'all, like, that's so cool. Like, I'm so happy because I just applied to like apply, it's just kind of like, apply to see, like, maybe I will, maybe I won't. But I just emailed that to confirm my participation in the show, and I'm gonna show you guys the email that I got. So this is what I got into. I'm gonna blur out like the people's names. I don't know if they really want their names in there, but bro, I'm so excited. It's such a blessing. I'm just thanking God right now because I really didn't think I was gonna get in, but I got in by the grace of God. So yay! We had just been assigned a new project for my metal sculpture class, so I'm showing you guys some planning. Previously, we had to make a metal cube, and from that cube, we had to make our new project. And my idea was to make a metal bee and an enclosure for it, so that's what I'm showing you guys. So I hope you enjoy. This is what they look like before. And this is what they look like after I grind them down. Yay! Hey y'all, so I wanted to inform you guys that I met my roommates yesterday. They were really nice, and I'm so excited. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm studying abroad this summer. I'm going to Venice, and I met my roommates. I don't know anyone a part of that like program. The program I'm going with is the interior architecture. I really did want to do interior architecture, but then I was like, nah, I don't know about that. So I got to meet them. They're really nice. Like, we talked and texted and stuff, but actually meeting them and talking to them was nice, And the only word that I kept saying was like, I'm excited, because I am excited to go to Venice and learn about art. Like, what? Learn about architecture, learn about architecture, bro. And it kind of goes hand in hand because I'm a sculpture and ceramics major, and I'm like going to see like I don't know, but I just want to update y'all. Tibble is tipping and tapping and tipping and tapping. He has made his presence known, but I'll talk to y'all later.